Okay guys, we are entering. So this here is the front foyer kind of deal. There is a nice spacious closet at the front door. So if you come in the front door, you see the staircase going upstairs, and to the side of that, there is the staircase going downstairs in the basement. So I think this is so cute. It's got 2 windows. Yes, it is nighttime, guys. Sorry. Very high ceilings with another window there. And if you look straight above us, up over there, there is a balcony, which is so cute. We will get there with an open concept staircase there. Oh my gosh, guys, absolutely stunning. So before we go upstairs, we're gonna take a trip downstairs. I'm sorry, I'm gonna be so extra in this video because I am so excited. So here is our very large, spacious rec room in the basement. I think I'm gonna do some painting because I'm not sure how I feel about the green color. We have nice, large, high windows in the basement, which, oh guys, lets in beautiful amount of light. And another really awesome perk about this rec room is you see all those plates there with the little nubs on it. That actually is wireless surround sound. And then you set up your speakers to the ones all around the room and you have no wires. And it also has this cool little ledge that kind of goes like all the way around on 2 of the 3 walls, which is nice. Now for the rooms off the rec room, that's just like the laundry room. Then the room to the right is this guy here, which again is big, high windows, lets in so much light. Absolutely love. All of the blinds that we have that came with the house, I actually really like them, so I'm definitely gonna be keeping those. And for the best part in every room, the closet has very nice double doors and has, most of the closets you'll see have this kind of like hanging unit, so you can like have stuff stacked on top and you can have all of your clothes hanging there, and it's actually pretty big. Let me step back a little bit. It's a decent size, so I'm really happy about that. So now we're gonna go to the room directly across, and here she is. Both of these rooms are great sizes. Like, you're not hurting for space in this house at all, guys. Amazing. I am so lucky and blessed to have found it. Oh, anyways, back to the empty house tour. In this room, we have the big, beautiful, high windows, so bright. Like this room, because it's already a light, bright color, is just so welcoming and warm because it's so bright. And not to mention, all of the rooms have multiple outlets, which is a huge plus. And this room also has a much bigger closet, in my opinion, because it is a lot wider than the other one. But like I said, most of the closets are gonna have this kind of hanging unit in there. And it has also this same kind of like double closet doors, which is beautiful. So I just might use this room as a studio and vanity room. I'm not 100% sure though. Then right in the middle of the 2 bedrooms is, bam, a full bathroom. We have a tub with a shower, of course, decent sized tub. There is the toilet, of course, a nice big vanity, which I absolutely love. All this storage space underneath. Yes, I am absolutely in love. So now let's go back up the stairs. Like, look how freaking adorable this front foyer is. Like, all of the natural light that would come in. The ceilings are like crazy high. Oh my gosh, guys, like I am in dreamland for real. So here are the stairs going up, and like the space in this house is phenomenal, guys. Like I have this beautiful landing or shelf, I don't even know, but I can think of so many super creative things I can do with this space. Like, oh, if you guys have any cool ideas, please let me know. I love brainstorming creative ideas. So when you come up the stairs, we have the kitchen. Now guys, okay, this kitchen is so gorgeous. So we start out over here with a little kind of, I don't know, like a little nook with cupboards. Then we have a beautiful black fridge. And this nifty little door is, oh yes, a full, huge, spacious pantry. Yes, no more clutter, no more anything. I can keep everything so organized. Oh my gosh, guys. Then we look opposite of that, and there is, again, like I said, guys, so much storage and counter space and cupboard space. Oh my goodness. Then if we turn, yes, guys, your girl has an island in her kitchen. Oh yes, full of storage and drawers and cupboards. Oh my goodness. And a dishwasher. Yes, I'm sorry, but my hands right here have been the only dishwasher in a sink for me. And we also have a like garbage disposal kind of thing too, which is really fancy and like so extra. I've never had one. Then out of the kitchen, this whole space is just all completely open concept, guys. Like, look at that. We have the living room over there with a fireplace. Oh, and again, big, bright, open windows. Then it connects with the dining room space right here with patio doors and another big, bright, open window. My goodness, guys, I am literally in heaven right now. And the ceilings are so high, hence the crazy echo you're probably hearing while I'm filming this. And here is a look at the complete kitchen from the opposite side of the island, which I think looks so nice, you guys. Like, I can't wait to cook. Like, I could almost cry, guys. This house is so everything we have ever wanted. So those patio doors here actually go right out into a almost completely enclosed patio. My goodness, guys, let me see if I can get a patio light on or something for you, because this, yes, look at, this is our patio off the dining room. It is so gorgeous, guys. Look how big it is. I'm sorry I'm whispering. I just don't want to wake up the whole neighborhood because it is a little bit late. But we have a surround sound speaker option out here, so we can have music playing in the outdoor speakers. And then down there We also have a beautiful garden. We have a beautiful hangout spot with a fire pit. We have a shed, and we have a nice yard. Beautiful. So many backyard deck parties and barbecues in my future. All of the beautiful windows, and it's so spacious in here. Like, we are so lucky to have found this place at the time we did, and everything, it worked out so perfectly. And come on, that kitchen is absolutely stunning, spacious. Oh, like, so many new things to come. It's a new life, it's a new beginning, it's a new everything. We do have 5 different bedrooms, which some might say, well, isn't that a bit excessive? But it's actually not. Girl, we got a lot of love, and we need a big space to shove all that love into. Oh, okay, there we go. Sorry guys, had a little bit of a camera malfunction. Okay, fam, are you guys ready for me to reveal what is behind this door? Yes, I'm being extra AF because you just wait, okay? So behind this door is the master bedroom. Oh yes. I'll do a quick pan around the room so you can check it out and get a feel. It's so big. It's a beautiful size. Definitely can fit like a king bed in here, plus your dresser and like your end tables and everything. And of course it also has, yes, a huge double window. It's gonna let in so much natural light and be so welcoming and warm in here. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Right here where we're going next, ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching and care about this, this right here is, are you ready? A master bedroom walk-in closet. Yes. There is so much like hanging space. It's wonderful. There's so much space just everywhere in here. This is going to be used to its full potential. Believe that. Then if we move over from the walk-in closet, we have this wonderful mystery doorway. What could be in there, you ask? Well, let's check it out, shall we? Oh, I guess I don't really know where the light switches are yet. Okay, let's figure it out. I think this. Yes. Okay. So in here we have the ensuite bathroom. Bath? But what is that? A jacuzzi tub? Oh my goodness, and look at the size of it, guys. Yes. Hella bath bombs are going to go into this tub and make me very happy. So this is the ensuite bathroom. It's so gorgeous. The shower, even just having a toilet in your bedroom is like crazy to me. I am so blessed. I gotta stop because I'm just gonna keep going and going. But anyways, guys, that pretty much sums up I'm actually gonna end the house tour here, guys. Thank you so much for just sticking by me and everything. You guys definitely rock, and yo girl loves ya.